Hey guys, my name is Katie and I am the new closet sub, and this is my first video. Courtney is working a double today apparently, so I am going to try and entertain you with a fridge that is full of nothing that is mine. Because I don't actually live here. I'm staying with some friends right now, and I haven't bought groceries in about 2 months. I have been eating out like a fiend, so... and I work at a pub, so there's like constantly food to take home. Okay, but let's check it out. Okay, so this is the fridge. Whoa. Pictures of friends. Some dirty magnets. I don't know if you guys can see those. Except he's missing a head, so it's kind of like he's, you know, these are my best friends. Right there. Right there and there. This is one of the best places to get sushi in Toronto because they deliver before 5 o'clock and no other place delivers before 5 o'clock. But Sushi Inn does. Sushi Inn does, so it's on the fridge. Oh, and this little note here. Let's check this out. One time, my roommates had a party here and the neighbor next door left them a note on the door the next day. And, it was pretty epic, so they put it on the fridge. And it says, "Dear neighbor, my name is Gabe. I live next door. In the past couple weeks, you've had several rowdy gatherings at your place, lasting until 5 o'clock in the morning. You may not realize that I can hear everything next door, especially at that time when all is quiet. You and your guests have substantially interfered with the reasonable enjoyment of the building next door by the residents. Shall you allow it to happen again, you leave me no other option but to call the police. I trust that you will govern yourself accordingly. Gabe." I'm pretty sure they had a party the next day. What else is on here? This is a cute little drawing that my friend's nephew drew. I don't really know what it is, but it's cute. Okay, so let's go in the fridge where nothing is mine. Let's see. Okay. This is really hard to do with a laptop. I don't know, cheese. Really, the only thing that I would come in this fridge for is this and beer. Beer. I don't know, there's some fruit and stuff. Huh? We're all students, so not that many groceries. Starving students. A lot of condiments though. Pretty stacked with the condiments, which is nice. Juice, fries, alcohol. I know. What's up? Go talk. Okay. That's cool. Put them on. They hurt? No. It's cute. I'm making a video for... Oh. Yeah, this will do, I suppose. There's no other option, right? No. For my fan bag. Nice. And... cutlets. Will that really help? I don't know. They're different. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this video and then I'm gonna do my heart. And then I'm gonna run out the door. What's that? Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, yeah, so that is everything that I have to show you guys. And, hopefully I'll get to do another sub sometime soon. But yeah, hope everybody's well, and I will talk to you soon.